What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to this episode. Let's get to it. Sony wants your shots certified like crypto. GoPro global shutter is turning on the beast mode. And if you're still shooting sideways in a vertical world, we got to talk because you got to fix it. As crazy as it sounds, we got to. But first, we got to roll this intro. Let's do that.
You're listening to Content and Cash, a FlashFilm Academy podcast. If you want to learn how to take pretty pictures, this is not the place. But if you're ready to make a living by learning the business behind the camera, buckle up, because it's time to turn passion into profit with your host, Ty Turner.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the podcast. Welcome back to the show. First off, my name is Ty Turner, and welcome to Content and Cash, the only place teaching creators how to build a business and not just a portfolio. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow wherever you're listening or watching, all right? So you don't miss these gems that we drop each and every week on this show. So make sure you do that. Whether you're listening on Spotify or watching on YouTube, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, follow button, or whatever. First things first, our first story is AI image signatures are coming. Canon, Nikon, Sony, they may start embedding, I want to say, cryptographic watermarks into your photos, like proof of origin for creators. No more guessing if the shot is real or AI made. Leica is already doing it, and now the big three are planning to catch up. But here's the twist. If platforms like Instagram strip metadata, is that signature even useful? Would you pay extra for a verifiable image proof, or is it just metadata noise? Post what you think in the comments. I would love to hear what you got to say about it, because I think it's important. I think we're getting to the point where we got to start paying attention to that. Our next story talk about vertical is the new normal. Look, I don't care how cinematic your horizontal shots are. If you're not creating with vertical in mind, you're leaving money on the table and views on the table. Reels, TikTok shorts, they're taking over. 65% of marketers say vertical is the dominant content format for 2025. And it's not just a trend, that's a takeover. So my question to you is, what is your biggest vertical challenge right now? Is it framing? Is it gear? Or just breaking old habits? I know for me, it's definitely breaking old habits. Story 3 talks about GoPro Hero 13. It's supposed to have global shutter. It may be here very soon. There's a lot of leaks out about GoPro 13 having global shutter. And if it do, it's a game changer. It's finally living up to the pro name. So no more jelly cam on fast motion first person view footage. And it's supposed to add 240 frames at 4K, AI image stabilization, and a bigger battery. Creators who need action-ready tools, this one may be for you. And what would make you upgrade? Is it the super slow-mo, the perfect image stabilization? Is it the... What would make you upgrade GoPros if you are an avid GoPro user? I would love to hear that in the comments. Up next, we're going to break down the editing mindset that's killing your profit margins. And yeah, we're going there. We're going to definitely go there because we got to talk about it. So... next topic is editing yourself into the grave. One of our members edited a 3-minute video for over 40 hours. Rotoscoping logos, noise cleanups, color finessing like it was headed to Sundance or something. The client watched it and said, looks great. Can we change the music? Crushed, and worse, no extra pay. And the editor they feel like they provided a perfect item. And the client was like, all right, it wasn't that big of a deal to him. So, and this is the thing you got to realize. Clients don't ask for perfect. They ask for results. So instead of doing that, when you dumping all of this time, I'm going to give you a simple fix, right? We like to set a delivery deadline. We like to build what's called an MVP version, right? Minimum viable product. Then ask, will this version work for your goal? If yes, ship it. If no, revise it once on purpose. And you're not editing to impress other filmmakers. You got to remember that. We're not here to to go after and impress other directors and filmmakers. You're editing to move the needle for your client. Every hour you overwork the timeline is profit bleeding out the frame. So we don't want to overwork for a client. You gotta be able to edit a certain piece in a certain amount of time, and you gotta know when too much is enough. All right. My question to you is, what is the most time you've wasted obsessing over edit? I know me as an editor, I spent hours, days. Drop your worst rabbit hole in the comments. We've all been there. I know I've been there multiple times, way more than I care to share. All right. Next for segment 3 is, normally this is where we answer a viewer question, but this week I got something better. Our weekly accountability meeting is open to everyone for free. Everybody watching this, you can join our accountability meeting tonight, Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you ever wanted to see what it's like behind the scenes of FlashFilm Academy, here's your chance. All you have to do is grab the free Capture and Convert kit at our website. You don't need a credit card or nothing. That unlocks your invite to this week's live accountability session. Real creators, real coaching, real clarity. So go to flashfilmacademy.com. In fact, y'all already know how it is. Grab the kit and we'll see you on the inside. That's the kit right there. That's it right there. It's about to be loud in a minute. Hold on, give it a second. It's about to be loud. There you go. So grab that kit, join us for our live accountability session. It's kind of like a one-on-one coaching. Bring your questions, bring your problems, bring your wins, and let's chop it up. All right. Thanks for rocking with me. Make sure you check out, what we dropped this week over at FlashFilm Academy on our YouTube channel. We got some heat for you. If you're tired of guessing how to grow your business, how to build your company up, we can definitely help you. And listen, we're no longer for those who just want to go full time with the business. We're also for those who want to make ends meet on the side. So you can supplement your income with our system, or you can go full time. The choice is yours. What a lot of people usually do is they get the ball rolling. They notice, hey, I can close some clients. And then they start closing so many clients that their job is in the way of the clients that they brought in. So that's how it usually works. And then they transition over to the full-time business. And that's how it'll work for you if you come and you join the Flash 5 framework and start using the system. With that being said, for those of you that's joining us tonight, I will see you tonight. The rest of you guys, I will see you all in the next video. Y'all be safe.
You've been listening to Content and Cash, a FlashFilm Academy podcast. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and go to our webpage at www.flashfilmacademy.com.